Back with us here inside the Big Dome. Again, the final score of Game 7. San Miguel winning over Ginebra 90-79 by the 29 points of Gabe Freeman. And Jonas Villanueva doing the honors. And Jonas also adjudged Finals MVP for this really bemedaled San Miguel Beermen squad. And San Miguel really bearing down on Ginebra in this Game 7, showing why they were considered juggernauts in this Fiesta Conference.
Like we said, Ginebra had 2 chances to wrap up this series. Really couldn't do it in Game 6. I felt that they weren't prepared, especially mentally. Team wasn't ready to win. And when San Miguel had their opportunity to close it out, at the first sound of that buzzer to start this game, they really played with much more energy compared to that of Barangay Ginebra in this game.
Okay, I think Magu is standing by inside the San Miguel locker room. Magu, are you ready, Magu?
Yes,
do you have your raincoat on?
We are starting to get ready. I actually forgot my raincoat, but with us is Mike Cortez, one of the key players in the finals for the San Miguel Beermen. Mike, a lot of people wrote you off after 2 injuries, but your game spoke louder than words. What do you say to that?
Hey, they wrote me off, but I came back and they helped my team win. That's all I wanted to do, is come in and do what Coach asked me. You know, I had a great rehab in LA, I had a great rehab in Moro, I had a great surgery with Dr. Calas, and hey, everything's written.
Thank you very much, Mike. Congratulations. That's all right. That's it. Congratulations, Mike. And with us, Mark Pingris. Pare, champion ka na naman dito sa San Miguel Beermen. Ano tumatakbo sa isip mo?
Well, una-una, papasalamat ako kay Lord sa lahat ng pinagdasal namin kagabi. Na-misis ko, si Danica. Thank you. At gusto kong batin si mama ko, parating nagdadasal yan. Ate ko, si Joans, si Mama Linda, si Kuya Regine, si Danica, ang baby ko, ang mga katulong ko sa bahay, mga Kasupang family, Prado family, sa mga Corners Boys, sa Pangasinan, Pusurubi, Pangasinan. Salamat sa suporta nyo. Thanks God! Thank you!
Congratulations once again, Mark Pingris. Now we have Danny Ildefonso. Danny, grabe yung pagbabalik mo mula dito sa injury mo. Came in halfway through the conference. Maraming kontrobersya, pero ito, 4 years in the making, your 7th title overall in the PBA. Kamusta ka?
Unang-una, salamat kay God sa binigay niyang lakas sa amin at lalo sa akin at nakabalik po ako sa finals. Maraming salamat kay God. Siya po talaga kaya kami nag-champion dahil kay God.
Maligo ka na kala ko!
Hoy, babati ako!
Sige, bati ka na, Danny.
Pangalawa po, maraming salamat po kay Boss Danding. Si Boss sa magandang suporta niyo po sa amin. Boss Danding, tsaka kay Boss Ramonang, Boss Henry, si Boss Robert Non. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At binabati ko po lahat po ng mga taga-Pangasinan. Yung pag-review kayo amin. Salamat sa suporta nyo. Lalo dyan nanay ko, nanay tatay ko, at saka mga kapatid ko, at saka SD Enterprises, yung mga tao ko sa SD Enterprises, sa piggery, sa poultry, yung mga tao namin. at saka belated happy birthday po kay Mayet Sumira, Charlie.
The champion once again, congratulations, Danny Ildefonso.
Sa lahat ng mga pisa ko, Prado!
From most improved player to champion. And sa star-studded na team na to, inakala mo ba na ikaw ang iranging finals MVP?
No. Never, kasi hindi ko na iniisip yun. I never thought of any awards or anything any individual awards. So I'm just trying to improve kasi I felt na kailangan ako ng team dahil nawala si Mike.
MVP!
So yun. So I'm just
Okay ka ba?
Okay lang.
Congratulations once again. What a banner year for you. Ganito ba inisip mo nung pumasok ka sa PBA?
Hindi, kasi star-studded nga, so trying to learn from everyone, trying to find yung role ko, kung ano yung matutulong ko sa team. And then, yun, it just happened na nag-improve, then everything
7th place.
Congratulations once again, Jonas Villanueva. Babati daw muna.
Pasalamat ako sa daddy ko, sa mga taga Bukawi, Bulacan, kay Mary John, sa Sibak Party List, kay Congressman Joel, sa buong Villanueva family, sa suporta nila. They always believed in me. So thank you sa inyo lahat.
So that is what's going on right now from over here at the San Miguel Dugout. Punta muna tayo kay Miko and Jason, but we gotta ito, okay na? Pasok na natin. Olsen Rara Racela.
No.
Your 9th championship dito sa PBA. Does it ever get old for you, pare?
No, you never get tired of winning eh. Para sa akin na... Masarap maligo sa San Miguel Beer eh. Pero wala, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng San Miguel fans. Alam ko, ang tagal ko na sa PBA eh. So alam ko kung gaano ka-loyal yung mga San Miguel fans. Nandyan lang sila, hindi sila, medyo natatabunan sila sa dami ng fans ng Ginebra, pero salamat sa mga fans ng San Miguel Beer. Mabatiin ko lang yung kapatid ko. Nagpuyat niya. Nagpuyat, Wally. Kamusta ka? Wally, his wife Rio, and Diani, anak nila. Yun.
9 championships in the PBA, pero this one 4 years in the making. Mas special ba to pag ganito?
Oo, ang tagal na eh. And plus this new team. New teammates. Mantagal namin since the last championship. It was with Coach Jong pa. So ito, medyo special. And before I hang up my jersey, gusto ko marami pa!
Yes! Congratulations once again, future Hall of Famer Olsen Racela. Now from a multi-title player, your very first PBA championship. Is it everything you imagined?
Everything, man. This is where it's at right here, San Miguel. Just happy to get my first one. Hope to get many more.
You started off this series on fire. Look, and later on, it seemed like they clamped down on you. How tough was this Game 7 win?
Well, well, I mean,
chug it up, chug it up.
well, it was an adjustment, but you know, it was adjustment for the team. So they clamped down on me. We got so many other guys that we can go to. It wasn't a problem. So me personally, I'm a team player to start with, so you know, points doesn't matter to me.
Congratulations once again, now a PBA champion, Jay Washington. Ngayon, kasama natin the Cebuano hotshot. You were, matatawag natin with San Miguel, dun sa tinatawag nating dark years. 4 years in the making, second PBA championship mo. Ano mensahe mo sa fans ng San Miguel?
Na-appreciate po namin yung suporta nyo. I mean, mga kaibigan ko, mga taga Cebu, na they were really praying for this. Yung family ko, they were waiting for so long. Yung mga fans, na-appreciate namin yung love and support nyo. And ito na po yung naibigay na po namin yung championship, and sobrang sarap. Mga kaibigan ko sa Florida, sa Vegas, California, kita tayo dyan, taga Cebu. I love you.
Congratulations once again, Don Don.
Thank you.
That is what is going on here at the San Miguel Dugout. Back to Miko and Jason.
And I'm so sure San Miguel is in 7th heaven, but so is Magu. Naliligo ng beer eh. That is Magu's